I have a really interesting use case that I wanted to share with you. So let's dive right in. I stumbled upon this video on how to use ChatGPT to build charts. So let's watch it together.
ChartGPT will help you to build charts in a second and blow your mind. Step 1. Copy your data table. Step 2. Throw it in a ChatGPT and ask it to build a website to showcase the data with chart types you want. You can even ask it to draw insights from this data. Step 3. Wait for it to finish and copy the code. Step 4. Open a text editor and paste the code to it. Then save the file with extension .html. Open the file and boom, you got amazing charts and key insights in under 1 minute.
So this is obviously a multi-step, pretty in-depth way to use ChatGPT, but I saw this and I just had to share it with you all because it's so exciting and it shows you all the different ways that this tool can really be used. Don't worry, we're going to do a whole section on coding later, but I just wanted to get the ball rolling in your mind's eye so you can start imagining all the amazing ways to use ChatGPT.